Hi there, this is Nance and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be unboxing another item that I bought from Lazada. And what is it? It is described as a 3.5mm jack smartphone computer clip on lapel microphone for phone, PC, laptop, vlogging, speaker mic, microphone. So that's the description provided by the online shop, and the online shop's name is Digital Fans. So join me as I unbox this package. So here's the package, and I have already opened it a while ago. At maganda yung pagkaka-package niya. Tapos malinis, hindi siya mukhang gabit na. So I'm assured na ito ay bagong-bago. Mukhang maganda naman siya. And let's give it a try. Okay, so I will plug it in sa aking cellphone. And then you just have to clip it up like this. And I'm not sure if you can hear me better this time. What do you think? Can you hear me better after I plugged in the mic? So that's it. So magkano to? We only paid 147 pesos. Kasama na yung shipping fee. Ang alam ko, original price niya ay 99 pesos sa Lazada. So, kung gusto niyo ng lapel microphone, pwede kayong pumunta sa Lazada and hanapin niyo itong microphone from Digital Fans online shop. So, I think it's worth it. So, nakikita niyo, gamit ko yung onlinemictest.com. At the moment, gamit ko yung lapel microphone sa laptop ko, and nakikita nyo na nagre-respond itong test section. Ibig sabihin, nagwo-work yung microphone, which is good.